Okay, I was muted. So good morning, everybody, and let us wait for the other participants to join us, and then we'll log the meeting and start the class. Okay, let's wait.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Both of the sections are together here. Now also everybody is joining one by one. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, Tom, ma'am, your voice is very low. Now am I clear? It is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Or Navodita ma'am ji,
Huh.
can I make a request?
What?
Just now I reached home, no, from Guwahati
Huh.
to Arunachal. So like I'm too much tired, ma'am. I'm not lying, okay.
Okay. Okay,
So
then no problem. You just switch on and keep the video. You just listen to the class. Or what?
and no, ma'am, what about then like roll number and all? My I mean my absent present.
Yeah, at the end, you just give me your attendance. Now you just switch on and you listen to the class. Attend the class. Take
Okay, ma'am.
rest. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. We were. I think we were to Portland PPC, right? So active speaker and thumbnail. Okay. I think we have done till PPC, right? Hmm? Uses of PPC. Okay. Then next we'll go. Hmm. This was the uses. We have already discussed about the uses. Now comes your next was your rapid hardening cement. Okay. So wait, one more thing. Yeah. This next one was what? Next one is our rapid hardening cement. So what is a rapid hardening cement? What it says? Yeah. When finely grounded, tricalcium silicate C3S is present in OPC with higher content. It gains strength more quickly than OPC. This type of OPC is called the rapid hardening cement. Okay, so what do you mean by rapid hardening cement now? Is that see, we had OPC, PPC, Portland cement. OPC is the ordinary cement which is used in all types of cement. Like suppose you have a rapid hardening cement on the OPC only, some different compound is added so that it behaves differently, right? So rapid hardening cement is what in rapid hardening cement in OPC when your tricalcium silicate is present, then it is called a rapid hardening cement. And why it is called as rapid hardening cement? Because it hardens fast, right? This type of cement when it gets in contact, when it comes in contact with water, what happens? It hardens fast. That means it gains its strength faster, right? That's why it is called as rapid hardening cement, and its initial setting time is 30 minutes and final setting time is 600 minutes. It hardens fast. Okay, in 30 minutes only it will hard. Then where are these rapid hardening cements used? Where do we use this rapid hardening cements? Rapid hardening cement is mostly used when rapid construction is needed, like construction of pavement. Like I told you, when you have to suppose you have to construct a pavement, you want the flow of the traffic also, because when you will be constructing this pavement, what will happen? you will obviously, the flow of traffic which is flowing from this side, you will have to either divert it somehow, or you have to, suppose you will give a barrier here and you will ask all the traffic to flow from this side. So you are constructing this pavement, this side, this part of the pavement. So this will obviously create what? Traffic jams will be there, and this will create chaos. Okay, and it will also take lot of time for the people. Time will be wasted, etc. And that's why you want that your pavement should gain the strength at a very fast rate, so that these traffics can be allowed to, once it is done, you can allow this traffic to flow from this side. And again, once you make this also, that means entirely, if I say you, this entire pavement, you want that it should be completed very fast, and so that all the traffic can flow properly and will smoothly run on this pavement. So what we do, we need that, we want that it should harden fast, it should gain the strength fast. So we use in the construction of pavements, we opt for rapid hardening cement. There is no problem if you don't opt also, you can use different also, depending the type of cement which you're using. It depends upon your um, uh, purpose, like what you want, what is your wish. You want that you want that your construction, whatever you're constructing, should set fast, or it should gain strength fast. You want, like for this particular example which I gave you. Wait, where is my cursor? Please don't give your so many of you are giving your roll numbers here. Don't give the roll numbers. Because I am not going to check the chat box. It's not possible for me to check so many roll numbers together. I'll just call out the roll numbers. You have to give the attendance, and I'll take the attendance in that way. Okay. So you don't write in the chat box. I'll simply miss out all these roll numbers. I know. That's why don't give in the chat box. I'll take the attendance by 10 minutes before the class ends. Okay, okay, so depending upon the type of and purpose of your construction, the type of cement is dependent. Okay, so for just like an example which I told you, for pavements, you want that it should be constructed fast. You don't have time. You don't have much time, so you are using rapid hardening cement for your construction of this pavement. Okay, so in this way, depending upon the purpose, you will be using different types of cement. So this is a pavement if you want to construct. It also gives high strength, obviously. So now next was what? Next type of cement was your quick setting cement. Okay. Now quick, what is the difference between this quick setting cement and what the rapid hardening cement? Can you tell me? Anyone, can you tell me? What do you think, what is the difference between the quick setting cement and the rapid hardening cement, as the name suggests? Hmm? No one. From so many students, no one. Okay. See.
जो मैम जल्दी से
हाँ,
सूख जाते हैं,
बोलो बोलो,
सेटल
टाइम
हो जाते
बोलो। हाँ,
जो जल्दी से सेटल
क्या होता है?
जो जल्दी से सेटल हो जाते हैं।
और रैपिड हार्डनिंग क्या है?
रैपिड हार्डनिंग
हम्म.
जो बहुत जल्दी से सख्त हो जाते हैं, या मीन स्ट्रॉन्ग।
Yeah, yeah. So this is the basic difference which you know from the name itself, right? Like quick setting means it will set fast. Like क्या होगा? Suppose you are doing a construction where you want that your cement should set fast. ठीक है? Set fast, but तुमको चाहिए कि अब बाद में इसका धीरे धीरे करके स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ने से भी तुमको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लाइक आफ्टर 28 days ऑल्सो इफ इट अटेन्स इट्स डिजायरेबल स्ट्रेंथ वी डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, हम लोगों को कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है। तो you can use this quick setting cement in your construction purpose for wherever you want to use, okay? But if you want that, like I said you, in the case of pavement, suppose you don't want to waste your time, you want the traffic to flow properly in your area where you are constructing the pavement, the government is constructing the pavement. So in that you want that it should um, give you the proper strength very quickly. You cannot wait for 28 days or something like that. So you have to use rapid hardening cement. But if you want that your strength the बाद में होने से भी होगा 28 days, we can wait for 28 days धीरे 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 करके. So you can use the quick setting cement. Quick setting cement means it will set, ठीक है, मतलब it will take the shape whichever you're giving. अगर तुम like you are laying on the road, suppose it is horizontally, it will set fast. That means the shape, whichever shape you're giving, it will set and it is not going to get d-shaped, okay? It is not going to d-shape because it is quick setting, right? It sets fast. But agar us quick setting, you have used this quick setting cement, right? You have used this quick setting cement. Array, where is my, yeah, you have used this quick setting cement, but there is a load suppose coming on that particular member where you have used this quick setting cement for setting fast. It will set fast, no doubt, but as soon as you give some load on that, it cannot take that load because it has not attained that desirable strength. It has only set fast, okay? Its setting is fast, but its attaining of the strength is very low, so it will break. But if this particular same quick setting cement you want after, you will check after 28 days, it will give you that perfect strength only. But depending, as I said, depending upon the purpose, which, how you want, where you want your construction, which type of construction, like that, okay? So it is mentioned quick setting cement is the cement which sets in a very short time. The initial setting time is 5 minutes, but other cement they will take like this cement is setting fast, its initial time is 5 minutes. Other cements they may take minimum 30 minutes to set, okay? So this is why it is called quick setting cement. The composition is what of this quick setting cement? Clinkers, then again aluminium sulfate 1 to 2% by weight of clinker. The aluminium sulfate increases the hydration rate of silicate. Uses of quick setting cement is what? It is used in underwater constructions, okay? Like underwater construction means, I'll tell you, like suppose you are constructing a marine structure, you are constructing a marine structure, but एंड बिकॉज वहां पे तो कोई तुम्हारा जरूरी नहीं है इतना स्ट्रेंथ गेन करने के लिए बहुत जल्द ही. सो यू वांट दैट इट शुड सेट फास्ट, राइट? लाइक तुम एक बनाया है अपार्टमेंट वहां पे इन योर साइट, एंड व्हाट यू वांट दिस, यू हैव क्रिएटेड दिस अपार्टमेंट हियर, एंड कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है, यू जस्ट वांट दैट इट शुड सेट फास्ट, इट शुड अटेन दिस shape. This will attain this shape. Your this cement will help you attaining this shape at a very short time, like for 5 minutes it is going to set. ऐसे दिया है ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. And then you can do your works, like you can you can pour the concretes here for dams also. If I say about dams also, you don't if you are constructing dam also, what will happen? um, until and unless the water comes to the dam, okay, until and unless the water comes to the dam, there you don't need any strength requirement of on that dam. Okay, so at that time you need just the setting to be very fast. So you will use quick setting cement, and then you can do the work of pouring the concretes, and then after 20 days it attains strength, and once it attains strength you will allow the water to flow through the dam. So this is your work. That's why it is used in underwater constructions also, like when you have you want only the setting to be done and the strength कोई बात नहीं है अगर strength day से भी हो ठीक है. So it is also used in rainy and cold weather conditions. Yeah, for cold weather conditions also used because it has aluminum sulfate 1% to 3% by weight, which increases the hydration rate. Hydration rate it increases. Okay, fast वो hydrate होता है जब water के साथ मिलता है ठीक है, heat generate करता है and then increase the hydration rate of silicate. It is also it is used at high temperature where water evaporates easily. Yeah, ठीक है, क्योंकि अंडर वाटर में यूज हो रहा है सो इट इज ऑल्सो यूज इन हाई टेम्परेचर वेयर वाटर इवापोरेट्स इजिली. सो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा ना तब, क्योंकि वाटर के बीच में ही इसीलिए है इवापोरेट. ठीक है, इवापोरेट नहीं होगा जल्दी. यूज फॉर एंकरिंग और रॉक बॉल्ट माइनिंग एंड टनल, दीज आर द यूजेस. ओके, main thing you need to know about pre-setting cement is based on that you will know where you want to use. कि सेट जल्दी होता है, खाली स्ट्रेंथ बाद में करने से भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, तब तुम प्री सेटिंग सीमेंट यूज करो. देन नेक्स्ट इज योर लो हीट सीमेंट. It is a special type of cement which produce low heat of hydration during setting. Low heat of hydration means थोड़ा सा कम, थोड़ा सा कम स्ट्रेंथ वो गेन करता है, टाइम लगता है उसको. लाइक फॉर पीपीसी इफ यू सी the or OPC only, you take OPC only. Some chemical composition of OPC is modified to reduce the heat of hydration. The chemical composition of low heat cement, a low percentage of 5% of tricalcium aluminate, a higher percentage of this one, decalcium silicate, C2S, C3A. इसको हम लोग क्यों कम कर दिया है, क्योंकि वी वांट द लो हीट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन. ठीक है, एंड वी वांट हियर हाई परसेंटेज. इसको C2S क्यों दिया, डाइकैल्शियम सिलिकेट. व्हाई, just mention wrongly. Okay, so डाइकैल्शियम होगा ये. सो अगर हम लोग ओपीसी में ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स इसका कम कर दे एंड ज्यादा कर दे इसमें, देन यू कैन गेट दिस लो हीट cement. And where it is used for the construction of dams, large footing, large raft, this is also used. So ये भी यूज होता है. क्विक सेटिंग सीमेंट भी यूज होता है इन योर डैम्स एक्सेट्रा. सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू, तुम्हारा पैसा कितना है, तुम्हारा कॉस्ट कितना करे, क्योंकि सी if you use the quick setting cement, if you use the quick setting cement for your, suppose this dam, I am talking about the dam's large footing, सपोज, तो इसमें थोड़ा कम पैसा लग रहा है, बट क्विक सेटिंग में उसमें थोड़ा ज्यादा पैसा लगता है, वो ज्यादा कॉस्टली है उससे थोड़ा. तो इसीलिए वो भी तुम, यू हैव टू सी दैट ऑल्सो. लाइक तुम्हारा पास व्हाट इज योर principal amount you have which you can invest on. So if you have lesser, you don't want to waste much more money, then you can use this also, low heat cement. You don't need to go for your quick setting cement, you don't want quick setting cement. So सब कुछ देखना पड़ेगा, लाइक पैसा भी है कि नहीं तुम्हारा, तुमको कौन सा चाहिए, कम वाला चाहिए या ज्यादा पैसा वाला चाहिए. तुम, यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम इफ दैट यू वांट, यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम इफ यू वेस्ट, मतलब if you have to give more money also but you want the quality, then you want the setting to be very fast according to the public's demand or something like that. So based on those things, your type of cement you will use on different members. Okay, now we have what, sulfate resisting cement. Next is your sulfate resisting cement. And what is that? Sulfate resisting cement is used to resist sulfate attacks in concrete. Due to the lower percentage of tricalcium aluminate, the production of calcium sulfur aluminate gets reduced. Okay, is sulfate resist, in this sulfate resisting cement our tricalcium aluminate is reduced. Why? The percentage of this tricalcium aluminate is reduced from the particular normal cement and the production of calcium sulfur aluminate gets reduced. तो ये हम लोग अगर reduce कर दिया तो ये भी reduce हो जाएगा and then it will form this sulfate resisting cement. Okay, why it is used, this sulfate resisting cement, and where it is used? Construction in contact with soil or groundwater having more sulfate. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि when you are sometimes some of the places you may have to construct some structure, small or big, whatever it is. You may have to construct some structures where you will have to deal under groundwater or in the soils where you have sulfate salts, and these will obviously attack your foundation. When you have your foundation on the soil, you are constructing something inside the soil or groundwater, having groundwater, that soil, अगर उसमें तुम foundation किया है and sulfate those water contain sulfates in on them, then what will happen, these are going to act here and on the foundation, and it will get attacked by sulfate your foundation, and then it will become weaker. Okay, concrete surfaces subjected to alternate wetting and drying, such as bridge piers, concrete surface in tiding zone, apron building near sea coast. Yeah, all those things. Okay, like wetting, alternate wetting and drying, such as bridges in bridge piers. What happens in bridge piers? You are constructing the bridge pier. कभी कभी पानी ज़्यादा हो जाता है, कभी कभी कम हो जाता है, dry हो जाता है when you're constructing, because obviously when you're constructing a bridge, uh, in India mostly, so what will happen, you will take more time na? Like it takes like 2 3 years or 1 year 2 year 3 year, like that. So obviously, uh, seasons pass away. That means season by season the water decreases, increases on the places, like on suppose rivers, or you are constructing something on your on a river or stream where you want to construct something near your house on those watery places. So तब क्या होता है, पानी घटता है, बढ़ता है, and then in those places also you can use this sulfate resistant cement, because with those ghatna barna of water, what happens, this they may contain sulfate on them, and that will hamper the strength of the foundation. Okay, they'll attack the concrete there. Okay, effluent treatment plants, chimney, chemical industries. Obviously, in chemical industries also, you can, where you think there are different chemicals will be present there, na? So their sulfates might be there, other different chemicals might be there which will attack. So sulfate resisting cement is can be used there by, and how we can use tricalcium aluminate has to be decreased. The amount of percentage of tricalcium silicate has to be decreased on the OPC, I can say, and then it can be used as sulfate resisting cement. Okay, so again another one is what, high alumina cement. High alumina cement is obtained by mixing calcining bauxite, it's an aluminium ore, and ordinary lime with clinker during the manufacture of OPC. Okay, so again, high alumina cement, how it is formed? When you have your OPC, ordinary Portland cement, वहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करता है, कैल्सिन बॉक्साइट को मिक्स कर देता है, calcining bauxite, okay, which is an ore, aluminium ore, and then ordinary lime with clinker, तब ये जाके बन जाता है high aluminium, high alumina cement, in which the total amount of alumina content should not be lesser than 32%, and it should maintain the ratio by weight of alumina to the lime between 0.85 to 1.3. Okay, in OPC these things you have to remember, matlab you have to keep in mind while you are converting an OPC into an high alumina cement, that your 32%, your alumina content should not be lesser than 32, and you must have maintained the ratio by weight of alumina to the this thing. Okay, so it is used where, concrete structures are subjected to high temperatures, like workshop, refractory, those places where you have to deal, your structure has to deal with high temperatures, like workshops ho tumhara, it may be your workshops, refractories, or it may be factories also. uh, this is factories, okay, factories. Okay, so in that places where you have constant, there will be constant fires, high temperature, so on those places your high alumina cement can be used. It also used where the concrete is subjected to frost and acid actions. Yeah. Okay, now next is your white cement. What is a white cement? White cement is quite similar to OPC except for color. Okay, OPC is gray color, but this is white color. An amount of iron oxide and magnesium oxide are low in white cement. Here in OPC, little lesser than OPC is your percentage of iron oxide and magnesium manganese oxide in your white cement. Okay, and then when in OPC you reduce the amount of iron oxide and manganese oxide, it will give you your white cement, and it is expensive than OPC, so not economical for ordinary work. This is the best one for you because it is low cost and it can be used anywhere, and with this you can mix some of the compounds also as your requirements. Okay, now what are the uses of white cement? It is usually used in decorative works. It can also be used for traffic barriers, tiles, matlab only for show, like for decoration purposes, or where you don't need any higher strength, you can use your white cement. Okay, there is also another cement which is your colored cement. Okay, so sequence, I will have to make notes. Okay, so colored cement to make 5 to 10% of suitable pigments are grind with OPC. Okay, types of pigments are selected according to the desired color. Okay, in colored cement, what happens in the OPC only? You mix different types of pigments, pigmented clinkers, so that it will give you your desired color, whichever you want. Okay, and also colored cement is used for different. Yeah, this is also white and colored cement. Both are used for different decorative works. Okay, air engine. Now this is another important one. Air entraining cement. Air entering cement is what? It is a special type of cement which entrains tiny air bubbles in your concrete. Okay, and when water in concrete gets freeze, what happens here, in this cement? I'm telling you, like suppose you are in a very cold place, cold region. Okay, let me check the time. How it's 11:56. I think I'll take this in next class. What air and training one. Now I let me take the attendance because so many students are there. Yeah. Roll number one. One.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am,
Give.
roll one is present.
Yeah. Wait one. Roll number one. Roll number one. Roll number one.
Ma'am, present. Roll
Two.
one is present.
Two.
Ma'am,
Three.
roll one is present.
Yeah, I have given present. Two. Three.
Yes,
Five.
ma'am.
Three. Five.
Present, ma'am.
You people tell your roll numbers. Okay, if I say five and you are five, then you say five. Okay, so five,
Roll number 5. Roll
seven,
number 5.
seven, 8, 9,
9 present.
10, 11,
11 present,
12,
ma'am.
12.
Present, ma'am. Number 12. 12 present,
Yeah,
ma'am.
till 12. Okay, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
17 present, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Roll number 18.
17 present.
17 and 18 present. 19,
Present, ma'am. 19. 19.
20, 21,
21 present, ma'am.
22, 23,
Ma'am,
25,
23.
23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 30.
32 present, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
33, Yeah,
Ma'am,
32.
32 present.
Yeah, 33.
Ma'am, roll number 30. Roll number 30.
30. 33. 35.
Present, ma'am. 35.
36.
Present, ma'am. 36.
37. 38.
36 present. 38th present.
39.
Yes, ma'am.
40.
40 present, ma'am.
41.
41 present, ma'am.
42. 43. 44.
43 present, ma'am.
44.
43 present.
44. 45. 46. 47. 48.
48 present, ma'am.
49. 50. 51.
Present, ma'am.
51. 52. 53.
Present 53.
54.
53 present, ma'am.
Yeah. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59.
Present, ma'am.
59.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, till you're 59. Okay. 60.
60 present, ma'am.
61.
61 present.
62. 63. 64.
56 present, ma'am. 56 present, ma'am.
56.
I got
60.
disconnected, ma'am.
60. Okay.
56
64.
present.
67.
64.
64 present. 67. 68.
Ma'am,
69.
50.
69 present, ma'am.
69.
Ma'am, 50.
Okay. 70. 71. Huh? 71. 72.
Present, ma'am. 72.
72. 73.
73 present, ma'am.
74. 75.
73 present.
Okay. 74. 75. 76. 77.
77 present, ma'am.
78. 79. 80. 80. 79. 81.
81, ma'am.
82.
82
83.
present.
83.
83 present, ma'am.
84. 85.
83 present, ma'am.
Okay. 85. 86. 86.
Ma'am,
87.
86 present.
87. 88. 89.
88 present, ma'am.
88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93.
92 present, ma'am.
93 present.
93 present. 94.
92 present.
Okay. 94.
Ma'am.
95.
Present, ma'am. 94.
Present.
96.
95 present, ma'am.
97.
27 present, ma'am.
97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 10. Oh. 110. 104. 111. 112.
Present, ma'am. 112 present.
112. 113.
111 present, ma'am. 111, ma'am.
113 present, ma'am.
113. 111. 114.
Present, ma'am.
103. 105.
Present, ma'am. 105.
106. 107. 108. 109. 115. 109.
109.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
115. 116. 117. 118. 119. 120.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Ma'am, 118. Ma'am,
118.
118, ma'am.
118.
118 present, ma'am.
Okay.